Consultative selling. Consultative selling. Consultative selling. Product knowledge. Product knowledge. Product knowledge. Value proposition. Value proposition. Value proposition. Sales strategy. Sales strategy. Sales strategy. Sales report. Sales report. Sales report. Consultative selling. For example, consultative selling focuses on understanding the client's needs. Sales report. For example, please submit your sales report by the end of the day. Value proposition. For example, our value proposition highlights the benefits of our product. Sales strategy. For example, we need to develop a new sales strategy for the upcoming year. Product knowledge. For example, strong product knowledge is essential for successful sales visits.